In concrete, cement is the main binder. It binds all together, the aggregate, coarse aggregate, fine aggregates, and all. But how it binds? Concrete is a powder. So whenever it mixes with the water, it makes a hardened paste and it's bind all together. So as well as cement is important in the concrete, the water is also important in the concrete itself to gain the strength and the durability in the long term. So in short, cement and water is most crucial in the mixed design or in the concrete. And it is the ratio of water cement is called water cement ratio. And this water cement ratio is very crucial to get desired strength and the durability. In today's video, I will discuss what is water cement ratio, what is the factor affecting water cement ratio, why water cement is important, and what is the code preference and how to select the water cement ratio. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the water cement ratio of the concrete. And if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So without any wasting time, let's start with the subject that is water cement ratio. Now, first we need to know what is water cement ratio or the definition. What is the definition? The water cement ratio is a crucial factor in concrete mix design that influences the strength, durability, and workability of the resulting concrete. It represents the quantity of water in relation to the quantity of cement used in the concrete mix. The water cement ratio is denoted by the symbol WC and it is expressed as decimal. So it is clear what is the percentage of cement is used in the mix and what is the percentage of water is mixed, and the ratio in between water and cement, that is called water and cement ratio. Now, as I discussed, the water and cement is very crucial. Why? Cement is reacting with the water. At the time when we are adding water into the mix, it starts with the reaction with the cement and it is called hydration of cement, and or the heat of hydration it's developing. So this process is developing the strength and it is giving the durability and the structural integrity. So it is very crucial to make the water as per the requirement at the side or at the mix, so that the whatever the amount is required to make the reaction with the cement is available in the mix. Otherwise, the full reaction will not happen. The strength will not gain. And the same time, the extra water will also not be there. It will affect that extra water will evaporate from the concrete and it will crack the concrete, or any fridge to cycle is happen, that will be a problem. So what is fridge to cycle and how it will affect? I have made a detailed video on that properties of fresh concrete. The link is there or in the descriptions. You can check that one. You will get the another information about the concrete properties. So it is a definition that water cement ratio, water and cement reacting each other and making a hardened state. So what is the water percentage in the mix and what is the cement percentage, and that ratio is referred as the water cement ratio. The next part is important of water cement ratio. Why it is important? Because every time whatever the mix design is preparing or something, first things we need to understand what is water cement ratio. So client will ask, consultant will ask, everybody will ask, what is the water cement ratio? So we need to know what is the water cement ratio importance. The first things what we know, that chemical reaction. The chemical reaction between cement and water, known as hydration, is essential for the development of strength. So as I discussed, the water is very much important, but that should be as per the requirement. Neither it is more nor the less. So the water cement ratio to be as per the spec or as per the requirement of the mixes. Then excessive water can lead the dilutions of the cement paste, hindering proper hydration and potentially reducing the strength. So the less water and the excess water is harmful for the concrete strength and the durability. So this is the most important things for the chemical reaction, that water cement ratio is very much important. The next is strength. The water cement ratio significantly affects the compressive strength of concrete. Generally, a lower ratio leads to a higher strength. That we will discuss whenever we are preparing a mixed design as per IS 10262. But now you need to know that water cement ratio is very much crucial or essential for the strength development. And then durability. A proper water cement ratio contributes to the long-term durability of concrete, minimizing the risk of cracking and other forms of deteriorations. And what is durability? Now, I have made a detailed video about the durability. Just link in this here or in the description box. Please check and you will get the full information about the durability. But for that, durability is that same as human, how we will react with the environment. The same way the concrete also react with the environment, and how we will protect ourselves from the environment. The concrete also need to protect from the environment to get it full strength and the desired life. So this water cement ratio also has the significant impact on the durability factor of the concrete. So the concrete for the lifespan or the durability is very much essential. It is not for the 1 year, 2 year, it's a lifelong. So we need the durability also, and the water cement ratio is much crucial factor for the durability. Next is the workability, and workability refers to the ease with which concrete can be mixed, placed, compacted, and finished. That means workability refers how it can be easily mixed, transport, pouring, and compaction. So these are the things which is also depends on the water cement ratio. The water cement ratio influences workability, and excessive amount of water can make the too fluid, affecting its workability. So these thing also we are need to check whether we are taking over the water cement ratio, because it has the significant impact on the workability. And what is workability, how it is affecting, and in detail I have made another video for the workability of concrete. Please check the link or in the description box and get the full information for the workability. Then shrinkage. A higher water cement ratio is associated with the increased shrinkage, leading to cracks into hardened concrete. Now we know all this. The shrinkage is a very problematic things in our concrete. It is making cracks. So this thing also depending upon the water cement ratio of the concrete. So from the shrinkage crack itself, if you want to overcome, the water cement ratio plays a crucial and a vital role. Then creep. Creep is the slow deformation of concrete over time, and it can be influenced by the water cement ratio. The creep sometimes we neglect, but the creep of concrete also a very important factor. It is a slow deformation of concrete over time due to the sustained load and some things, and it is affecting of the water cement ratio. So the creep also has an impact on the water cement ratio. So we need to choose wisely while we're doing the mix design. Then the permeability. A lower water cement ratio contributes to reduce permeability, minimize the ingress of harmful substances like water and chemicals in the concretes. Now, what is that? If there is a concrete is permeable, that means the moisture and the sulfate ion, chloride ion, and other harmful ion can ingress into the concrete, and this will corrode the steel. And if it is the steel is corrode, the volume will expanded and the concrete will breaks. And also these chemicals has an impact on the concrete itself. It also deteriorate the concrete, and eventually we'll get the less durable concrete and lifespan will be less. So the permeability also has an impact on the water cement ratio. So water cement ratio to be chooses wisely to make it a permeable, impermeable concrete or as per the requirement. And then Fricht's cycle, what I discussed earlier also, higher water cement ratio has always tendency to cracks the concrete due to freezing to excess water. So which means if the excess water is there inside the concrete, now if it is not evaporate, and if it is evaporate, then there will be crack on the surface. And it is not evaporate, suddenly the temperature fall down below the freezing temperature, so it will crystallize on ice, and whenever it is from the ice, the volume will be increased, and if it is volume increase, then the concrete cracks will happen. So this freeze thaw cycle also depends on the water cement ratio. So we need to choose the water cement ratio wisely to minimize the freeze thaw cycle. So these are the importance of water cement ratio, that the chemical reaction, strength, durability, workability, shrinkage, creep, permeability, and freeze thaw cycle. Now that is the third part. That is code reference. What is the code reference? See, we have there are two different types of mixes. One is nominal mixes, another is the design mixes. Nominal mixes means which is already designed and already mixed proportion is there. That means how much cement, how much water, how much aggregates, how much fine aggregate, everything is there. So we need to just follow that one so that we will get the desired strength, that is nominal mix. And that is another thing, design mix. Why design mix? See, nominal mix has the limitation. It cannot be beyond 25. So we need to develop the design for the higher grade, maybe 50, 60, 80, 100 is like that. And for this design mix and nominal mix, I had made another detailed video. Check on the description to get the full information about nominal mix and the design mix. But the nominal mix, it is predetermined. Design mix is we need to determine as per IS 10262 as per the project requirement. Let's see what is nominal mix saying. According to the IS 456 table 9, see, it is already there. Proportion of nominal mix. Quantity of water per 50 kg of cement mix. M5 60 liter, M75 45 liter, M10 35 liter, M15 32, M20 30. And there's a minimum dry aggregate of is there. So this is the nominal mix design, and water quantity is there. So quantity of water and quantity of cement, we can make easily the water cement ratio in case it is a design mix. But if it is not a design mix, sorry, if it is a nominal mix, we can find out easily. But if it is not a nominal mix, now we need to find out the design mix, because everywhere we are not using now nominal mix. It is always design mix. For the design mix, we have the code, that is IS 10262. And in this code, the step-by-step procedure is there. How to select the target mean strength, how to select the water percentage, how to select the cement, how to select calculate the coarse aggregate proportion and the fine aggregate proportion. That is a separate subject, and it is a detailed video, and I will make another video for this, how to prepare mixed design as per IS 10262. But from now, this water cement ratio we need to confirm whenever it is a design mix from IS 10262. These are the codal reference in India. And the next is factors affecting water cement ratio. Now we have already checked what is the definition, what is the why it is important, what is the code reference, and now what is the factor which are affecting the water cement ratio. So target strength, exposure condition, workability, minimum cement content, maximum size of aggregate, and use of admixture. These are the factors. These are the factors we need to consider whenever we are doing mixed design, and accordingly we need to select the water cement ratio so that our concrete can gain the strength and the durability for longer time and the longer lifespan, and we can get the concrete as per our requirement. The first thing is target strength. What is our target strength? If it is a M45, but according to code, maybe we need to target strength M52. So then exposure condition. What is the exposure condition? It is exposed directly to the environment or not, or it is in the sea area, or it is in the heavy rainfall area or the snowy area. According to that, the design mix will be changed, and design mix will change, the water cement ratio will also be changed. Then workability, what type of workability I need, maybe in the minimum, mild, or more, that also need to be finalized. Then minimum cement concrete, the codal reference is there that this much of minimum cement is to be provided in case of it is M25 or M35, whatever. But whenever the minimum cement concrete is defined, that means we have to use that cement, and accordingly we need to prepare the water cement ratio. So the cement content also has the affecting the water cement ratio whenever I was selecting. Then admixture and the aggregate size. So these are the things, have the factors which is affecting the water cement ratio on the concrete. So now we understand the why water cement ratio is important, and what is the important factor, and how to select water cement ratio, and how to select it whenever it is a nominal mix. For the design mix, that we need separate and is a which subject, and we will make it in another video. But right now, if you have any question about the water cement ratio, please let me know. I will be happy to help you, and I'm waiting for your valuable feedback, so that from your valuable feedback everyone can be benefited. And thank you for watching me. And if you're not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And please like, share, and subscribe, so that everyone can be benefited. And thanks once again for watching.